Hey, what's up guys, Jude back with another video. In this video we are going to be talking about an amazing idea opportunity from Yellow Road. You don't want to miss out on. This project has got under top 10 ranking in an amazing post. Great to see our next idea, that is LPI DAO, in the top 10 up your IDO. So this has got under top 10 sale rating, that is it got 8 rating, that is LPI DAO, with some great votes. As you can see, the total score it got from 100 is 75. So that is also something really great about this project. And also, if you want some more information about Yellow Road upcoming project, make sure to join their Telegram as well as Twitter community to get notified about an upcoming IDOs. This project is going to be launched in 2 days, that is IDOs getting launched in 2 days from now. Make sure to check out the timer by yourself. And also, if you don't know about the IDO model, here is a quick overview. If you want guaranteed allocation, then you need to be under top 500 token holder position, that is worth around $100. That means you need to buy at least $100 worth of token in order to be getting a guaranteed allocation. This may varies depending upon the token holder position. You can check out from BSC scan itself on what position you are, and if you are providing liquidity, then your token will be counted as double. That means if you provide liquidity for 1000 road token, then it will be counted as 2000 road token, which is something really great. So that is how it simply works. And also, you can check out the lottery system if you don't want to hold that much amount of token. And also, this, that is LPI DAO project, is getting listed on 4 different idea projects, that is BrandPad, Yellow Road, Leocon and Multipad. So something looks really cool. And here is the IDO date, that is September 18 to 22. IDO price $0.25, list price $0.5, vesting TGE 20%. They are also doing a proper vesting with 20% TGE, that is you will be getting 20% at the launch, and then there will be a 2 week cliff, and after that 1 month linear vesting, which is something really great. And now let's move on and understand more about this and how it works. So we are on the website itself, that is lpi.finance. One token unlimited possibility, your gateway to seed sale, community governed DeFi seed sale aggregator specializing in NFT and GameFi. So this project is working on creating a community governed DeFi sale aggregator, and also they will be having a specialized specialty on NFT and GameFi industry, which is something really great. As you all know that currently there is lots of hype going on for GameFi and NFT project. So this is a platform that will be covering that aspect, so you don't want to miss out. The first step is no KYC, open to all investor. Then the second is selection, projects are identified for investment. The third is seed sale, that is the LPI platform host private sale for LPI holder. The fourth is token burn, we buy back and burn LPI token. In this way you can easily participate in this project. And here are their different networks LPI source projects from, that is the first is Avalanche, second is Polkadot, Solana, BSC, Terra, Polygon. So this project is utilizing all the major blockchains, that is Avalanche, Polkadot, BSC, Terra and Polygon, and much more, that is Tron, Dfinity, Thorchain, Ethereum. These are all the blockchains that LPI will be working on. And here is how LPI works, a wealth growth strategy. The first is launchpads. How to join? You can easily buy and hold LPI token and become a part of LPI DAO community and gain access to their investment platform. You will need to buy and hold the corresponding amount of LPI token for the tier level you would like to access. Means also they will be having a tier level, different tier level, that you can select and buy that much amount of token and get access to it. The second is projects for investment, that is project soaring and selection. The LPI team scouts for high potential project while working in collaboration with various launchpads to deal flow access to seed sale token from projects launching on their platform. So in this way this works. And also the third is burn mechanism, that is buyback and burn of LPI token. Means also they will be doing a buyback and burning of it, which will be reducing the supply. The LPI investment fund invest alongside investor of LPI platform, from which the team allocates 20% of the profit to buyback LPI token from the open market and burn them. So that is also something really great, that team has allocated themselves 20%, 20% of the profit just for buying back the LPI token from the marketplace itself and burning them, which will be reducing the supply and making it a deflationary token. And here is how the LPI DAO tier works. The first tier is PLAB, that is you need to hold 1000 LPI token, you will be getting access to 65% of the deal. And the second is APE, that is here you have to hold 5000 LPI token, you will be getting 80% access of the deal. And the third is Chair, that here you have to hold 10,000 LPI token, you will be getting access to 90% of the deals and private requests, which is something really good. And the last is DGen, where you need to hold 20,000 LPI token, where you will be getting access to 100% of the deals and private requests, which is something really great. In this way, this LPI DAO tier work, and this tier system is really great. Means this will encourage more and more people to buy LPI token in order to join that tires and make the price of the token rise, which is something a really great strategy for the long term. And here is the free project promotion, that is Developers Hub. LPI DAO Developers Hub is designed to provide developer and designer a platform to promote their project to a vast network of VCs, investment fund, project incubator, accelerate and launch pads, a platform where developers can gain traction at no cost, which is something really great, that lots and lots of new projects that can use LPI ecosystem, that is LPI DAO Developers Hub, in order to promote their project. LPI DAO Developer Hub offers the first is listing platform, project details, team, required funds and other detail, communication through social media and direct messaging, premium listing. These are all the offers that LPI DAO provide to its user, that is listing, detail listing, communication, premium service. So this project offers and service to the new project, which is something really great. And here is how LPI DAO can help you, that is LPI offer initial funding to get the project off the ground, research and analytic, marketing, promotion, community building, connection to establish project for collaboration. So these are all the use cases that LPI DAO provides to its user. And here are the partners. So they have some great partners that are backing this project. That is first is Cyberfee, Samurai, Ronin Capital, Poly Network, Blockways, Yellow Road, LP Venture, BrandPrad. So these are all the projects that are backing this project. And here is the token sale details. So they are raising $80,000 in sealed sale, that is already closed. And there's the second is public sale, that is BSC IDO, that is from 18 to 22. They will be raising a total raise of $450,000. And the IDO platform that they are getting listed on, that is a BrandPad, Yellow Road, Ilion, Multipad. So you can check out the date accordingly. And the token symbol is LPI token for sale, and the seed sale price is $0.1 and the IDO price is $0.25 and the listing price is $0.5 and the specification is LPI DAO and the total supply is 10 million token and the circulating supply on listing will be 5,60,000 tokens. And here you can check out the diagram that shows how it is allocated, that is seed sale is allocated 11%, IDO sale 12%, and in this way 100% of the supply is allocated accordingly. So you can check out all the information here over here. And also if you want some more information, you can check out the pitch deck, one pager, and also you can check out the privacy policy for more information. So this project looks really cool, and also they have some great upcoming future plans for this project itself. As you can see, this currently we are on Q3 2021 with IDO marketing, seed sale, IDO sale, fund portfolio token acquired, DEX listing, CoinGecko, and then upcoming with Q4 2021 with community rewards, buyback and burn initiate, launch LPI fund, LPI staking. So these are all the upcoming plans that the team has already planned till Q4 2022 with DAO decide what investment should be bought through the platform, marketplace, cooperative module implement, new partnership formed. So these are all the upcoming future plans that are coming with this project. So fundamentally this project looks a long-term great success for all the holders. And here is the team. You can check out the information about the team. That is Soli is marketing director Misty White, project leader. You can contact them via right from here. That is, you can check out their Telegram and you can contact them if you have any doubt regarding this project. If you want some more information, join the Telegram group and ask any of the admin. They will help you out as soon as possible. So this project looks really cool, and also you can check out their Twitter to get the latest notification about any of the move that they do and get yourself updated about this project. So that was all about this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.